That knuckle crack isn't bone hitting bone, it's a bubble. Scientists filmed it live on an MRI and watched a gas pocket suddenly burst open inside the fluid that cushions your joint. That's the pop you hear. And once it happens, you physically can't do it again right away. The gas takes about 20 minutes to dissolve back into the fluid before another bubble can form and crack. That's why a joint feels done for a while. And despite what you were told, big long-term studies find no link between habitual cracking and arthritis. So the sound that makes people wince is really just a tiny burst of gas, deep in a joint you use all day.